Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to clean up documents by getting rid of unwanted images, graphics, or other elements that don't belong in your final version. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials. Go ahead and enter those details to access your account. After signing in successfully, you'll land on the main Adobe Acrobat interface where you can manage all your PDF files. Now look for the Recent Files section. This area displays the PDFs you've worked with most recently, making it quick and easy to locate the document you need. Navigate through this list and select the file that contains the objects you want to remove. Once you click on it, the PDF will open up in the main editing window. With your document now open, it's time to identify and select the objects you want to delete. These could be images, text boxes, shapes, or any other elements that have been added to the PDF. Click directly on the object you wish to remove. You'll notice that when selected, the object will typically show selection handles or a border around it, indicating it's active and ready for editing. After selecting the object, look for the trash icon in your toolbar. This delete button is your key to removing unwanted elements from the document. Click on the trash icon and the selected object will be removed from your PDF immediately. You should see the change happen right away as the object disappears from the page. If you have multiple objects to remove throughout your document, simply repeat this process. Click on each object individually, then hit the trash icon to delete it. Take your time going through each page to ensure you've removed everything you need to. This step-by-step approach helps you maintain control over exactly what gets deleted. Once you're satisfied that all unwanted objects have been removed, you'll want to save your work. In the upper right corner of the screen, locate and click the Save button. This ensures all your changes are permanently applied to the PDF. Depending on the size of your file, you might need to wait a moment while Adobe processes and saves the modifications. And there you have it. You've successfully cleaned up your PDF by removing unwanted objects using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.